welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to quickly come on here and let you guys know that I have added this new kit to my website, which is a kit for beginners to create your very own press-on nails. So it literally comes with everything that you need to start creating your press-on nails. So the first thing we have is the 600-piece long coffin press-on nail tips. We have a wax pencil for your bling. You have the 3 set of nail art brushes, 5 nail buffers, 5 Get Nail 32 80/80 hand files, 2 press-on nail stands, some nail stickers, a nail polish plate, some mixed size AB crystals, 2 KDS glues, and 10 sticky tabs. So everything, I do have separately on my website, but you do get, a bit of a discount if you just buy the entire kit. That way you're not having to add each thing individually. This is literally everything that you need. So also I wanted to take the time out to let you guys know that I do have some new items that I'll be adding to the website here soon. These are some of the transfer foils that will be added. I also have some nail stickers that will be added, which are Bad Bunny stickers. I know there's a lot of people that are big Bad Bunny fans, so these definitely will be popular on the website. I also will be having the little sample nails. I'll have the clear coffin, and then I also will have the natural coffin, as well as the stiletto ones, which look like this. So those will be added to the website. So also these drill bits were added to the website today. So we have the extra coarse smooth top drill bit, which is to remove any gel polish or to file down acrylic. And then we have the fine tapered drill bit. That one has my logo on it. So make sure you go check it out.